Hi friends, this is Edwin and welcome back to Crypto Talk. And in this video, we're going to talk about briefly and quickly one beautiful way that we can increase our crypto portfolio by staking and earning more. And because of that, we're going to introduce a brand new website that people are staking their USDT and making money through a brand new platform called AVAX Staking. And when we stake on this platform, we can always get returns. So let us quickly look at how the platform works. And in this platform, we can see everything about the platform. It's called AVAX Staking, and boldly on the front page of the platform, it says that we should keep Avalanche safe, and there are ways that we can earn Avalanche. However, you can always do your research to be sure what you're doing. This video is not a financial advice. Before you stake or before you go into any crypto business, I'll always advise that you do your own research. And if you're going to invest at all, always remember that crypto is very unpredictable and very unstable. So never invest more than what you can afford to lose, and don't go beyond your endurance or your loss threshold. So let's go into it. And on this website, as you can see clearly, the website says that it is being audited by SETIC, so you can make your own verification. So for us to get started, we click on get started, and there are two ways. If you have already registered, then you log in by using your email or your mobile phone number or your Telegram username. But I have already registered, so I'm going to impute my details and log in. However, if you have not registered, this is what it's going to show to you. We have the email or we have the mobile number. If you want to use the mobile number, go ahead and use. But if you want to use the email, you use the email. Then you create a unique login password. Make sure that it is a strong password. Then you repeat it to confirm that the password is right. And after that, there is a section for invitation code, which, by the way, I'm going to leave my invitation code in the comment section and also in the description of this video. You click register and then you go. So for me to log in, I'll impute my email. I'll also impute my password. Then I'll click login, and voila, I will get into my dashboard. So as you successfully register and you land on the Avalanche platform, you are going to be introduced to all the packages under the AVAX Staking. And this is what you're going to get. The first is that you're going to stake AVAX and daily with returns ranging from 9% to 35%, ensuring steady asset growth. And let us go to the next one. Second one is that Avalanche agent team invitation level and recharge rebate details. And on this is according to the number of invitations, you will have the opportunity to advance to different membership levels: the beginner, the intermediate, and the elite. So you can read upon it, and each of this level comes with different advantages. So let's go to the next one. The next one is saying that you should become a team leader, and you do that by joining the Avalanche agent program. You unlock lucrative rewards and reach the peak of wealth. All the details about the advantages of this level are all stated down below. So the fourth one is the announcement and their official information and everything that you need to know, even the support channel. That is what you get in the fourth one. While the last one, which is the fifth one, simply says that Avalanche staking earning mechanism, where you deposit in US and you earn. So all of this information I just read out are going to form part of your personal research that you are going to do to understand this platform and how to enter this platform better. So now, having logged in, you can see that my staking is 0 and everything is 0. So how am I going to do to fund my account? Simply, I'll click recharge, then I will fund my account. So let's quickly do that now. All right, so having funded my account, you can see that I have 20 USDT, so I can afford 20 USDT. So I just funded my account with 20 USDT, and I funded it, and I have a brokerage on my wallet, and it is $3. So this is what I've been able to do. So we're going to see how we can stake this, because look at here, there's a total stake, nothing. So we are going to stake something and see how and demonstrate how the staking works. So here I can move my slider in order to select the particular amount I want to stake, or I can type in directly what I want to stake. And also I will choose the number of days that I want to stake. Then I will scroll up and confirm by selecting by clicking stake. So I will confirm by clicking staking, confirm, successful, I've staked. So after staking, I will be making 50%, that is $3 per day for staking just $20. Here you can see my active trading. You can see that the order number is here and the type of product is version 1, and you can also see the stake amount, which is what, 20 USDT. The earlier I selected 28 days, you can see it here, and my staking profit is 15% per day. So you can all see everything here. So having stake, you can see that my $20 has moved to the stake from the investments to the stake, and we can also see that my brokerage wallet has what, $3. Then if we want to stake more, we can click recharge, or if you want to withdraw, because in AVAX Staking you can always withdraw your earnings per day, but I have $3. Can it be withdrawn? Let's try it out and see. So by clicking withdraw, it has opened to the withdrawal. It's still loading. Here it has loaded. So this is a withdraw section, and on withdraw section you can see the limit of what I can withdraw. Right now I have 11.34 Tron. And if I want to withdraw it on Tron, I just get the Tron address and impute it here, and I get my fund withdrawn. But I'm going to withdraw it using USDT, which is the BEP20 USDT withdrawal method. So I'm going to withdraw this particular 11.34 Tron in my USDT. So I'm going to select the BEP20 USDT and impute my BEP20 USDT address. So now I place my BEP20 USDT address. I'll click all, which is $3, like I told you about. Now I will also impute my security password, then confirm. Now successful withdrawn. Having withdrawn my assets, back to the withdrawal section, we can see that all my assets for today has become 0. So I've just checked my wallet on the other app, and I can see that what I've withdrawn, $3, has been sent successfully. So this platform, as far as I'm concerned, and as far as I'm shooting this video and what I can see, it is working. That is all I can say for the now. So guys, that is the investment section of our crypto talk that we have introduced. Like I will keep reminding, please do your own research before you go into any crypto investment. However, in crypto, there are a lot of ways we can earn. If we do our due diligence, we can earn through staking, just like the AVAX Staking platform and the opportunity has given to us. And also we can, earn more by trading any cryptocurrency of our choice directly. You can check the video on trading in our platform, and also you can earn crypto by mining directly. So all these opportunities are there, and we are very confident that if you know what you're doing and continue to do your research, there is no way that in no time you're going to make very good money. But always do your own research, and I promise to bring you wonderful projects and discuss with you more on crypto talk. You know how we do it. If you find value with this video, why don't you smash that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Love you so much. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you again in the next video. I'm out.